This is the Peticare Illuminated Nail Clipper. This is the upper handle, the lower handle, the blade replacement lever, the battery compartment, the light switch. This is the compartment where the nail trapper is, and it has a 5x magnification lens and the super bright LED lights. The Peticare Nail Trimmer has 3 different settings for the super bright LED light: off, always on, or in the trigger position so that it turns on as you squeeze the handle. You want to make sure that you put the nail right into the illuminated zone and do a quick motion just like that. And even though his nails are fairly dark, I can still use the magnifier glass in order to see exactly where to cut. When using the Peticare clipper, you want to make sure that you have the light illuminated so that you can see the quick. You put the cat's nails right into the nail trimmer and you use a quick abrupt motion in order to clip the nail that ends up in the nail trapper. To keep the Peticare clean, just wipe it off after each use with a damp cloth, and because the blades are very sharp, just keep it out of reach of children. Replacing the batteries is a very easy task. All you have to do is use either a quarter or a flathead screwdriver. You just loosen the battery compartment and there they are. Replacing the blades on the Peticare is super easy. All you have to do is push the lever up in between the 2 handles, use a paper clip, go right in, and the blade comes right out for easy replacement. As much as I would love to see your animal in the office, this is a great option for you to cut your animal's nails at home and save a lot of money.